Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's T-E-C-H-T-I-P. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. So ever wonder how to blur your background in Google Meets? I have the tool for you, Background Blur for Google Meet. You'll simply add it to your Chrome, and then when you are in your Google Meets on the left-hand side, you will see this little red button over here. It says Blur Off. You just click on it to turn it on, and your background's blurred. So if you have a distracting background, or maybe you're on the go and you need to blur out what's behind you so you're not distracting anyone, you simply use this tool right here. It's as simple as that. Hey Bulldogs, want to give faster and friendlier feedback to your students? Mote is the Chrome extension for you. Mote allows you to easily add voice comments and feedback to shared documents. Mote works with Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, as well as Google Classroom. Mote also supports transcription in more than 20 world languages. Ask students questions and provide feedback quickly and with the feeling of human connection. Whether you're at home or in the classroom, Mote helps educators and students stay connected. So you simply just add it to your Chrome, and then you go into your Google Doc, you add a comment like you normally would, highlight wherever, okay, and click on comment. And then right here, you see the little icon for Mote. Click on it and it starts recording. So you would provide your feedback to your student here. When you're done, you just simply click done and then comment. And then right here, your students will receive the comment. They'll see a little transcription right here. It recorded what I was saying. And when they press play, they will hear your voice and you have that human connection. Hey Bulldogs, ever wonder how to scan a document using your phone and upload to Google Drive? This is how. For our iPhone users, simply click on the Notes tab and open up a new note. You're then going to click on the little camera and go to Scan Document. So you'll hover over the document that you'd like to scan. You could see it highlights it yellow, and then it takes it there. You could do multiple pages if you'd like, so I'm going to do the back side of this. And it takes the picture, and then I'm going to go to Save. And then you simply send it right here. You press the arrow up. You could email it, you could text it, you could save it to your Google Drive, whatever you would like to do. And you instantly have a PDF file.